Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name on HoneyDue application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your HoneyDue application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. From the Settings option, tap on My Account at the top and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner from your My Account page. In the pop-up, tap on Edit Profile. Go to your name section and type in your new name you are trying to update to. And finally, tap Save at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your username on HoneyDue. So that's pretty simple, isn't it? If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.